Guys, so here's what we're going to do. This one is actually pretty super easy. If you thought the other ones were easy, this one's actually even easier. So today we're going to write a summation. You're going to be given an equation or a series, and you have to come up with the summation symbol. So the sigma symbol with the number on top and bottom. Okay, so if I give you something like this, 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14 plus 17. Okay, and you're going to write the summation. Okay, so I need you to do a couple of things. In Delta Math, the sigma is going to be already there, so don't worry about drawing it. All right, so I need you to start by always putting a 1 down there. Okay, now I can start with any number, but for this Delta Math, we're going to start from 1 because this is going to be A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5, right? So we're going to go from 1. Okay, and then you're going to put whatever term number this last one is. In this case, it's 5. So from 1 to 5. Now, here's where you need to do your work right here. So remember your term formulas? We had A sub n equals A1 plus D times n minus 1. And then we had A sub n equals A1 times R to the n minus 1 power. This one's arithmetic. This one's geometric. Okay, so we're going to bring these back. You need to figure out, is this arithmetic or geometric? Okay, and I'm going to make this so super easy for you, I'm not even going to make you simplify it. Okay, you'll notice that if you check for the answer, it'll simplify it on Delta Math, but you don't even have to, so do not worry about it. So I'm trying to make this as easy as possible. Okay, so from 5 to 8 is 3, from 8 to 11 is 3, so this is plus 3, right? Which makes it arithmetic. All you're going to do is literally plug the numbers in here, right? So I need A1. Okay, don't worry about this part right there. So you need A1, which is 5, right? You need D, which is 3, and then leave the N. So we're just going to go 5 plus 3 times N minus 1, close the parentheses. Okay, seriously, that's it. The end, be done, don't worry about it. Okay, so if I give you one like this, 36, 6, 1, okay, and then 1/6. All right, so you got your sigma, right? You're going to always start with 1. Okay, so I have term 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the 4, so 1 to 4. Now, is this geometric or arithmetic? Okay, well, from 36 to 6 is a lot more than 6 to 1 if I'm adding and subtracting, right? So that means it's going to be geometric. So you need to find R, right? So 6 over 36. Okay, so the hardest part is just going to be reducing these guys. Okay, so 6 goes into 6 once, 6 goes into 36 6 times. So R is 1/6, right? So I'm using this formula right here. So I still need A1, so that's 36, right? So you're going to go 36 parentheses R, which is 1/6 raised to the n minus 1 power. Be done. That's all. Okay, so let's go just so I can show you and prove to you that that's all you have to do. Okay, so here's the Delta Math, right? Okay. So n equals, so start with 1, right? Up to, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth term, right? Now I need my equation. So I got 9, 19, 29, 39, 49. So 9, 19, 29, 39, 49. Okay, so we need to figure out, what this equation is, right? So from 9 to 19, that's plus 10, that's plus 10, that's plus 10, right? So that makes this arithmetic. So I'm going to use the arithmetic formula, this one. Okay? So we're going to do, let me make this bigger. Okay, so we're going to do A1. So A1 was 9, right? And D is 10. So we're just going to do 9 plus 10 times n minus 1. That's all. Okay, to show you that it works. So in here, we're going to go 9 plus 10 parentheses, n minus 1, close your parentheses. Submit my answer. Okay, am I sure? Yes. Look, it says check mark. Now, if you look down here, you'll notice they have a different formula. Okay? That's what they say the answer is. Okay, Okay, so be careful. This would be the answer if I distributed this and simplified it. All right, so we're gonna go with this one. There's a couple other answers. I don't like this one. Okay, this one's the answer we're gonna go with. Okay, or just leave it like I said, just leave it like that, and that's fine. Okay, whoops. There is a multiple choice one, but the multiple choice one is much harder, so I'm not gonna give you the multiple choice one. Okay, let's find a geometric one. It's arithmetic. Oh, that's arithmetic. I think these might all be arithmetic, guys, which makes your life way easier. Yeah, I think they're all arithmetic. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, they're all arithmetic. Okay, so we give you this one, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, right? So from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I got 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18. So the first term is 6, right? And the change is 2. So A1 is 6. The change is 2, right? So let's jump over here so you guys can see the work. So we're going to do A1 plus D times N minus 1, right? So A1 is 6 plus D, so 2 times N minus 1. Okay. So 6 plus 2 times N minus 1. Submit, yes. Yeah, that's right. There's got to be a geometric one in here, though. I feel like there has to be. Doesn't look like it. Okay. So if you just come across a geometric one, just be careful. Okay. And just make sure we do it like the one I showed you. All right. That's all, guys. Bye.